Bloody birthday. You get her off with your milk? Okay. It's almost dark. You should get it. It's 7 minutes you should get it.
And can you mind your own business?
You just don't make it sweet. You used to make it sweet and wash over it. So why can't I do it now? I'm very hot, but cold at the same time. Like, I feel my back is really warm, but I feel cold at the same time.
And we will run through on Friday.
I'm sick?
I don't know if you are,
I should stay sick. And you are sick right now, too. You should tell that we're near COVID, and I'm actually kind of sick, right? And exaggerated and make it very sound bad. And then like ask, like, he's like, we might say we can still go, might, he's like, I don't know why, but like, Biden or whatever says that COVID is like gone or something, like only been like 2 years. And he like, right now it's like gone or whatever. I mean, he said like, you don't have to worry about it, and like, you'll eat more than you do. I don't know. Yeah, he said like part of it, like you don't have to worry about it or something. Something like the same. He said it's like officially not a big threat or something. But it still is, right? It's the flu. It's been hundreds of years and we still haven't found a cure. So we're probably never gonna find a cure for this for a while too. He's like the flu, they never had a cure. They just had, like, you know, the whatever vaccines. There's never a cure for it, right? It's been like how many? Mom, the flu was like seen 1,500 years ago, or the year 1,500. No. Maybe. Look, how long did I think of fever?